Hello children, open ENVT textbook, lesson number 6, Foods we eat. Lesson number 6, Foods we eat. In this lesson, we'll learn about the food needed by people of various age groups and its availability. We'll also know from where the things needed for food are obtained. Here, some of the children are discussing about the food what they ate last night. Look at the picture. The little boy said, "Last night I ate chapati made of bajra with jaggery. I cooked dal and rice," said the girl. The little girl said, "Yesterday no food was cooked in my house." The boy said, "I went to Gurudwara with my grandmother for the langar. We ate dal and chapati." The girl said, "My mother cooked idli. I ate lots of it. It was really tasty." The handicapped girl said, "Ammi had cooked kheer and puri, which I don't like. So I ate enchila instead. My mother brought dabeli for us from the house where she worked. We enjoyed eating," the boy said. People living in different regions of India have different food patterns. The diet of people living in Punjab and Kerala is different from the diet of people living in Gujarat. Food gives us strength to do work. It helps the body to grow and makes the body strong enough to resist diseases. One should eat a balanced diet so that the body gets all the necessary components of nutrition. A food is something that provides nutrients. Nutrients are substances that provide energy for activity, growth, and all functioning of the body, such as breathing, digesting food, and keeping warm, materials for the growth and repair of the body, and for keeping immune system healthy. Eating a variety of food is essential to life. In other words, we need to eat to live. Eating foods with a range of nutrients such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, protein, and healthy fats provide our bodies with the materials needed to keep our system functioning well. Foods like milk, various grains, pulses, green leafy vegetables, and ripe fruit should be there in our diet so that our body gets all the components of nutrition in sufficient amount. If we eat only one type of food every day or do not eat what we do not like, it is possible that there may be deficiency of some nutritious components in our body, which can lead to diseases. Look at the picture. There is one child in whose house no food was cooked. What could be the reason? There can be many reasons why no food was cooked in the child's house, such as the child's parents might be so poor that they cannot even get enough for 2 meals a day. The child's mother may be unwell and the father may have gone for work. Did all the children eat the same food items? No, all the children did not eat the same food items because all the children come from different families. These children may belong to various states of India. Therefore, each child had eaten different food. How do you know that you are hungry? We know that we are hungry when our stomach feels empty. We do not feel like doing anything. We feel weak and want to eat something. Due to all these, we realize that we are hungry. Now let us read about Vipul's family. There are 4 members in Vipul's family. There are some members who do not eat what Vipul eats. Do you think this family do not eat or cannot eat what Vipul eats? Why should this happens? Let us read about his family. While returning home from school, Vipul brought a bhutta, corn or cob. He reached home and asked his mother, "Where is Munni? I want to see her." His mother replied, "Munni is in the rooms upstairs." Vipul caught his grandmother's hand and said, "You also come upstairs with me." His mother stopped him. "I have soaked Bas chapati in dal. Let her first have her meal." "Have you put sugar in dal?" said Dadi to Vipul's mother. "I have tasted the dal. It has been prepared well," replied Vipul's mother. Vipul picked up his grandmother's plate and ran upstairs. He asked her to follow him quickly. "When I was of your age, I could not run up a hill in the same time," said Dadi. Vipul gave the bhutta he was eating to his mommy. Dadi not able to climb the stairs quickly. Since Dadi was aged, she was weak, so she was not able to climb the stairs quickly. How many persons in the story can eat bhutta, corn cob, easily and why? 3 persons in the story, Vipul, his mother and his mommy, can eat bhutta easily. The 3 of them are not old. Their teeth are healthy and strong. Dadi's teeth have fallen out due to old age, and Munni has not grown any teeth yet, so they cannot eat bhutta. Can old people eat bhutta, corn cob? Why? No, old people cannot eat bhutta because most of their teeth have fallen out and the remaining teeth are painful because they are not firm. For 4 months, Munni will have only her mother's milk. That is her only food. Why? Newborn infant, small babies do not have teeth, so they drink only their mother's milk. For them, their mother's milk is a complete diet. So Munni's diet is her mother's milk. What will happen if we do not eat anything for 3-4 days at a stretch? If we do not eat anything for 3-4 days at a stretch, then the body will become weak. We will feel tired even after doing a little work, and the body will not remain alert. Should we eat food? We should eat food for the following reasons: to get sufficient energy to perform all bodily functions, to allow proper growth and development of the body, to protect the body against diseases and to stay healthy, to ensure that the body feels fresh and energetic. Which nutrients do grains, pulses, green leafy vegetables and fruits provide to our body? Grains give heat and energy to our body. Pulses are useful in growth and development of the body. Green vegetables and fruits help the body to fight against diseases. What should we do so that our body gets all the necessary nutrients in sufficient amount? To ensure that our body gets all the necessary nutrients in sufficient amounts along with milk, we should include different grains, wheat, rice, millet, etc., various pulses, tur, moong, gram, white gram, etc., and vegetables and fruits according to the season in our diet. What happens if we take the same type of food every day? If we take the same type of food every day, we do not get all the nutrients that our body needs. As a result, the body suffers due to deficiency of these things and gets affected by some diseases. Moreover, if we eat the same type of food every day, we will not feel like eating it. State the benefits of eating food. The benefits of eating food are as follows: the body gets enough energy to work, the body grows and develops well, the body is protected against diseases, health of the body is taken care of. What are the different methods of cooking food? Different methods of cooking food are roasting, deep frying, boiling, steaming, shallow frying, stir frying, pan frying, grilling, baking, etc. The following good habits should be remembered. Food should be chewed well. Various pulses should be eaten during the week. Fresh green vegetables should be eaten every day. Fruits also should be a part of a diet. Teeth should be brushed after every meal. Washing hands well before meals. Thank you.